Hi there, my name is Vandad Gorbani, Product Manager for Tara Connect. We recently made some changes to our user management functionality, and I'm going to take some time today to walk you through those new features. We'll start by inviting a new user, editing existing user roles, switching between accounts, and ending on changing our password. So on my Tara Connect dashboard, if I want to invite a new user, I simply select Users from this left-hand side menu. I can then invite a new user using this blue button. I input their email, first name, last name, and select from this drop-down what level of access they'll have on the account. So let's just go through these as they have been updated. An account owner has complete control over the account, including managing users. An account admin has complete control over the account except for managing users. A dealer admin has admin control over dealer accounts and can be admin on any number of dealer accounts. And someone with limited access has access to only reports within specific dealer accounts. If the level of access is location-based, you're able to select how many locations they'll have access to. You can add all or remove all if you so choose. And if it's just on an account level, then there's no need to select a location. Once you're finished, you click send, and the person will get an invitation in their inbox. And after they've accepted it, they log in, and they'll be able to log in under that specific access level. Now back to the list. If I want to edit someone's access level, I simply click on edit. I'm taken to a very similar page as the one before. Using the drop-down, I'll be able to select a new access level using the exact same functionality. And when I press save, the existing user will get an email notification in their inbox, and once accepted, they'll log in and have a new user access level on the account. If I want to switch between accounts, on the top right corner of the screen, I can select from this drop-down which account I'd like to access, and it will display what level of access you have on that specific account. And last but not least, if I want to change my password, I click on this icon and select Change Password. And after I click this button, I will get an email notification in my inbox, and it will prompt me to select a new password and log in with my new password. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.